Welcome. So what we're going to do is going to show you how to light a wood burner. To start off with the fuel cell wood, they're basically a fire lighter, a natural fire lighter. What I've done first is I've put all the wood crisscross like that. Basically it's good for the airflow. The boiler is all the way open, or the burner. So I place 3 of these, so I put the first one in the middle, the second one to one side, and the third one to the other side. The reason I go this extreme is we don't have the best draw on our log burner, so the quicker we get heat, the better. So I place those in there, and I don't then close the door all the way, so I make sure it's pulled out. Once again, these are your fuel cells. They're very, very good. There's lots of different alternatives, but that's the one I use. And I'll just pull the door to. So I leave it open. So that's drawing air in now. And as you'll see, because of the shape and the way that I've done me kindling, it will burn very, very quickly. So as you can see, it doesn't take long before it burns. So then, obviously, I've got seasoned logs in my baskets ready, and I use this kindling, which I was buy from a local shop. It's nice size, all cut to the same type of width, really. So, give it a few minutes with the door open. As soon as that starts to take, you'll see. So, now, as you can see, it's well and truly lit now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a right size log. So this is a smallish log, dry. So then I'm going to place that on the top, and all of that wood that was in there, the kindling kind of is well lit now. And yeah, you'll see how quick it will turn. You can see now, because of the airflow still, I've still left the door open at this time. Still left the door open. So we're going to carry on, we're going to leave it, and then it won't be long, and I'll close the door. As you see, I've got a fan on the top of mine. It's kind of a good indicator of when it's lit as well, really hot, because that starts spinning. So we'll give it a few seconds, and we'll come back now and have a look. There we go. So she's well lit now. So I've shut the door at this point. So the door is shut, and as you can see, I've got the heat there to go, keep it going. Fan isn't spinning yet, but he's only early. And this has all happened in literally a couple of minutes. Some people I see struggling. So, and that's how I do it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want more videos like this, just please subscribe and let me know. Thank you very much.